Hey guys, my name's James Hannan with
Naomi Joy
from Rise Social Media, where we help you to market and sell your products online. So today we're talking about the 3 mistakes that most people, including you, are making when it comes to your Facebook profile. We're not talking about your page, we're actually talking about your profile. So if you're excited about those, to find out what those 3 things are, make sure you like this video, hit subscribe, and then hit that little bell, and you're going to be notified every time that we go live.
So let's get started. What's one of the mistakes you're making? Number 1 is that you're not actually maximizing your personal profile to its fullest potential. What I find is people aren't actually using their personal profile at all. Now, remember, people are checking you out. If you're using your pages, if you're using groups, they are definitely coming to your personal profile to check you out. So you must be using your personal profile. The other thing is that you're missing out on all the networking opportunities that you can only do through your personal profile. So networking is one of the most important things that you can do on Facebook to connect with your ideal customers, to connect with other people in your industry. So you definitely want to be networking on Facebook. Lastly, you're missing the opportunity to actually what I call cross-pollinate. So cross-pollinating is so vital in that you can cross-pollinate from your page, from your groups, from your Facebook stories, from your events, and you can use your personal profile in such a beautiful way to cross-pollinate across all of those.
So number 2 is this: you are not set up correctly. Let's talk about that. The first thing is there's this little area called your intro section. That intro section needs to pop. It needs to tell your customer and your prospect exactly who you are and how you meet the need that they have. The second thing is that your about section. Your about section, it's set up so wrong because it's all about you. Guess what? People don't care about you. I'm sorry to say they don't. They only care about themselves. It's okay, that is normal, but they're going to your about section, they're seeing how long you've been doing this for, how many awards you've won, they're seeing how much money you've made and how great you are, and they're going to sleep. And they're leaving you and going somewhere else faster than rats leaving a sinking ship. Your about section needs to be about your customer. And so how do you write that? Well, you need to put some time aside to write it in the way that when they read it, they go, wow, that's me, that's what I want. And we take you through those steps in our courses. The third thing, and this is the big wow factor, is that the images you're using in your profile photo and in your cover photo, what they do is instead of attracting someone to you, they're pushing them away because they're non-congruent. They're incongruent with the message that your brand is trying to say. And we take you through the exact way to do those with our cheat sheets and so on.
Now, the third thing is you're not posting the right things. Now, have you ever put up a post and you hear crickets? No one's engaging, no one's liking, no one's commenting, nobody's getting involved. The posts don't go anywhere. So what you need to be thinking about is using the 7 E's of marketing. Now, the 7 E's of marketing are going to show you exactly what to post to get the right engagement, to get people asking you about your products or services, and to really expand your brand.
So if you haven't grabbed our 7 E's of marketing yet and got your hands on them, what are you waiting for? Go right here and you'll be able to watch the video on the 7 E's of marketing and grab yourself your copy and the videos that'll take you in depth, that'll show you precisely what to post, how to post, the imagery to use, and the message to bring across, how to increase your interaction, create more leads, make more sales, and make more money. So again, we hope that you've enjoyed this video. This is just one of many. Make sure you click subscribe, like, and if you hit that little bell, you're going to be notified every time we post a new video that's going to help you to learn how to market and sell your products or services online. Have a great day, guys.
Bye.
Bye.